Imagine, it is the year 1980. People are shouting in the streets. They're angry. They're scared. Why? Because a machine called the computer has entered the office. Back then, everyone said, "This is the end. Millions of people will be jobless." But look at the world today in 2026. Did the computer destroy us? Or did it create a new world? Today, we are facing the same fear with artificial intelligence, AI. If you are worried about your job, you are not alone. But history has a secret for you. Watch this video until the very end, because what happened with the computer is about to happen again with AI. And only those who understand this will become the leaders of tomorrow. Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to episode 9. I hope you are doing great and staying positive. If you are our regular student, thank you for your love. Please like this video right now. And if you are new here, welcome to the FluentVerse. I promise you, by the end of this video, you will feel more confident about your future and your English. So, please subscribe and join our family. Today, we are diving deep into the AI versus human debate. I will speak slowly and clearly, so every word reaches your heart and mind. Watch this video 3 times. Listen, read, and then shadow copy my voice. This will rewire your brain and turn you into a confident English speaker. Let's start. Let's go back in time. When the computer first arrived, people in almost every field were terrified. First of all, the accountants were very terrified. Before computers, people used big books to write numbers by hand. But as the computer invented, they thought the computer would take their jobs. But what happened? The computer created software engineering and data analysis. Today, there are more accountants and finance experts than ever before. Similarly, second, the architects and engineers were worried. People thought that if a computer could draw a map, no one would hire an architect. But look at us now. Tools like AutoCAD did not kill jobs. They made building skyscrapers and smart cities possible. They created millions of new roles. Third, the post office and writers. When email came, people said the post office would die. It didn't. Instead, it created e-commerce and digital marketing. The computer did not destroy jobs. It upgraded them. It took the boring work and gave us the creative work. AI is doing the exact same thing right now. There are a lot of robotic inventions that helped humans. It's not just computers. Think about these 3 inventions. First, industrial robots in factories. When robots started building cars, people feared for the workers. But those robots made cars cheaper and safer. Today, humans work along with robots to manage complex technology. Second, the digital calculator. When calculators came, teachers said, "Students will forget math." But did they? No. Calculators allowed us to solve bigger problems, like sending a rocket to the moon. It made complex calculation very easy and helped students, workers, businessmen, and the engineers. Similarly, the third invention that helped humans is modern tractors in farming. One tractor does the work of 100 men. It can harvest number of acre in just few hours. Did it cause hunger? No. It allowed us to feed billions of people. In every case, technology was a gift, not a curse. AI is just the next gift for the human race. Listen, guys, you are still irreplaceable. Still, you can make yourself valuable. Still, you are more sharp than AI. Why can AI never truly win? Because AI is like a car, but you are the driver. A car can go 200 kilometers per hour, but it does not know where to go. You decide the destination. AI has information, but you have wisdom. AI can give a speech, but it cannot inspire a team with a smile. AI can analyze a disease, but it cannot hold a patient's hand and say, "Don't worry, everything will be fine." Your empathy, your leadership, and your storytelling are your human weapons. AI can copy your voice, but it can never copy your soul. Let me give you the strategy to become more valuable in 2026. The solution is simple. Become a master of AI, not a slave to it. Listen carefully again. Become a master of AI, not a slave to it. Use AI to do your boring tasks, and use your free time to learn communication skills. That is why you are here at the FluentVerse. By improving your English, you are becoming a global human. Now, it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, which machine has helped you the most in your life? For me, it's the computer. Don't forget to repeat this video 3 times to rewire your mind for success. Stay strong, stay human, and keep practicing. I will see you in episode 10. Goodbye.